Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show how to install Microsoft Teams in laptop. Open browser and search here Microsoft Teams download. Open this first link. Download for desktop. Here you can download this software for both of Windows 11 and 10. Click on download button. It's downloading. When it's complete, open File Manager. Here's the Team installer. Let's install it. Right click on it and click on Open. And it's started to install. When installation is finished, Microsoft Teams will automatically open. It's installed. Now we can sign in or sign up from here. That's it for now. If you benefited a little from this video, then make sure to subscribe this channel. Thank you.